To format your values as currency using the Ghana Cedi symbol is very simple. In this video we are going to do that. So before we begin, let's go to the Insert tab and insert the Ghana Cedi symbol. Let's go to Symbols and then the symbol. Then let's enter the character code for the Ghana Cedi symbol. That is 20B5. And as you can see, it is displayed here. Let's click on Insert and then let's close this one. Then let's select it and then copy onto our clipboard. So as you can see in the table that I'm using here, I have item, unit price, and then total cost. So let's select the unit price and then the total cost. Then let's go to the numbers group. You can press Ctrl 1 to display the format cells dialog box, the number. Before we format using the Ghanaian Cedi symbol, let's format everything as a currency. And then let's go to custom. Then let's change the pound symbol there to the Ghana Cedi symbol. So delete it and then Ctrl V to paste the Ghana Cedi symbol. Click OK. And you can see that everything has been formatted nicely here. Again, we can format using the GHC. Again, let's select everything. Then Ctrl 1 to display the format cells dialog box and click on currency. Then let's change this one to GHC, and as you can see here, it is displayed down here by typing GHC. OK, and then we click on OK again, and you can see that everything has been formatted nicely. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more tips in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.